Yo guys, what up? So check it out. Tonight I'm out with the Canon EOS. I'm going to be running the crop mode, basically 12-bit. We're going 12-bit, but I'm really out testing out this new viewfinder I just got here. This JJC collapsible viewfinder. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to grab some shots out here because I want to try this out. It's really going to help with trying to get those shots in focus. So enough of the jibber jabber, let's go. All right, I'm also going to be shooting in the 4x4 or in the 4K mode, 235 to 1, 12-bit. That's the settings I'm going to be using in the crop mode.
As the clock struck 7:30, I stepped out of the tower and office building and into the dimly lit streets of Osaka. The lights flickered in the distance, beckoning me towards the hustle and bustle of the city. I walked down narrow alleys, my senses heightened as I took in the sights and the sound of this vibrant city. The air filled with the aroma of street food and the sounds of laughter from nearby restaurants. After walking for what seems like hours, I finally arrive at the bustling train station, surrounded by a sea of people going about their daily lives. The station was a hive of activity, with trains coming and going and people rushing to catch their next ride. I couldn't help but feel a sense of compliment. I had just experienced the energy and the excitement of Osaka, and I couldn't wait to relive it all again. As I settled in at home, I pulled out my laptop and started editing the footage I had captured throughout my journey. Watching the scenes unfold before me, I couldn't help but smile as I realized how lucky I was to be living in such an incredible place, full of life and energy.